Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. This is artist Rabia. Guys, today I will show how to manipulate the images and Photoshop. So you can see here I have this banana. I will place the text inside this banana. So first of all I'm going to remove this background. Guys, with the help of this magic wand tool, I will remove the background very easily. If I click here, you can see this is selected. If I press delete button, you can see this is deleted. I'm pressing here. Guys, now from here you can make a new layer. You can see like this, the new layer is created. Now this is called the text tool. If I click right here and I select the color black from here, hit OK. You can see my color here is black. I will type here banana. You can see. Guys, you can select any of your text from here. You can select this and you can go and select the text you want for your image. I'm going for this Arial black. I'm clicking on this move tool and now I will select this. Guys, you can select this by pressing Ctrl T. You can make it smaller or larger. You can see like this. Guys, I'm pressing enter. On this image, I'm going to convert it to smart object. Like this. Now if I press Ctrl T once again and I right click and click on wrap, you can see I can wrap my image by clicking on these points and dragging them. Guys, you can see I'm dragging this from here and I can wrap this into my picture very easily and very precisely. This is super cool and super easy method to manipulate your images. Like this guys, it is going to be super fun and super easy. Guys, you can see this, I'm pressing enter and now if I press Ctrl and click on this part, you can see this is selected. Now I will go on this banana layer and I will click right here. Like this we can add the layer mask. You can see if I click here, you can see I have added the layer mask. I'm hiding this layer by clicking on this eye. You can hide this layer or you can have this layer once again. I'm hiding this. Guys, now I will click right here with the help of my brush. You can see how my banana will look. Guys, I'm taking my hard brush from here, this brush, and now I will make this like this. I'm taking my size somehow smaller. You can see like this. You can see this is before and this is after. Now I will make a background of my image into my image. First of all, I'm giving it a white look. I'm selecting the color from here, my foreground color. I'm taking the white. Hit OK. If I press Alt Backspace, guys, Alt Backspace is basically the short key to fill the color into any image. I'm pressing Alt Backspace, you can see. Now I'm hiding this layer. I will give a texture right here. You can see I have this bucket tool right here. If I right click, you can see you have these two tools, gradient tool or bucket tool. I will go for my bucket tool. If I select this, you can see here many of the options in this option bar. If I click on the pattern, guys, you can select any of the pattern from here. See, you have many of the patterns. You have artistic surfaces, color paper, erodible textures, grayscale paper, legacy patterns, nature patterns, pattern 2 pattern, rock pattern, and many others. Guys, I will go and select this. These are basically the nature patterns. I've done the opacity to 45. Now I will go and fill like this. Now I'm unhiding this layer by clicking on this eye. Guys, you can see this of this banana right here. You can also give it other textures to make it the fantastic look. Guys, like this you can manipulate the images to your Photoshop and give them the fantastic look as you want according to your taste. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you had enjoyed this video and you had learned a lot from this video. Now go and smash that subscribe button so that you can get the latest updates from dunia.rang.rangeli about the designs. This is artist Rabia signing off. Allah Hafiz.